Have you ever dreamt of turning your passion for chocolate into a profitable business? Imagine transforming the rich, creamy world of chocolate into a brand that people crave. Today, we're diving into the secrets of starting your own chocolate business. From crafting exquisite recipes to mastering the art of branding, you'll discover everything you need to know to make your chocolate dreams a reality. Stick around as we unlock the chocolate making techniques and business strategies that will set you apart in this sweet industry. Welcome to Prince Sam Official Channel. 1. Research and planning. Discuss market research and identifying target customers. Analyze competitors and current chocolate trends. Create a business plan outlining your vision, goals, and strategies. 2. Product development. Explore chocolate recipes and sourcing high quality. Tips on perfecting your recipes and creating unique products. Testing and feedback from potential customers. 3. Branding and marketing. Importance of creating a memorable brand name and logo. Crafting your brand story and marketing strategy. Utilizing social media and online marketing to attract customers. 4. Legal and financial considerations. Overview of necessary permits, licenses, and regulations. Setting up your business structure, for example, sole proprietorship, LLC. Financial planning, budgeting, and managing startup costs. 5. Production and distribution. Setting up your production space and equipment needs. Best practices for packaging and labeling. Distribution channels and strategies for getting your products to market. 6. Launch and growth. Planning a successful launch event or campaign. Strategies for scaling your business and increasing sales. Making business-grade chocolate involves several steps, from sourcing ingredients to production and packaging. Here's a comprehensive guide. 1. Sourcing ingredients. Cocoa beans. Choose high-quality cocoa beans from reputable suppliers. The quality of your chocolate will largely depend on the quality of these beans. Other ingredients. Depending on your recipe, you'll need sugar, milk powder, for milk chocolate, cocoa butter, and any flavorings or inclusions, like nut, fruits, or spices. 2. Roasting. Roast cocoa beans. Roasting is essential to develop the chocolate's flavor. The beans are roasted at specific temperatures to enhance their taste and aroma. Crack and winnow. After roasting, crack the beans and remove the shells to get cocoa nibs. This process is called winnowing. 3. Grinding. Grind nibs. The nibs are ground into a paste called chocolate liquor, despite having no alcohol. This paste contains both cocoa solids and cocoa butter. Refine the chocolate. For a smooth texture, the chocolate liquor is refined using a conking machine, which heats and mixes the chocolate to improve its consistency and flavor. 4. Mixing. Blend ingredients. Combine the chocolate liquor with other ingredients based on your recipe. For dark chocolate, mix with sugar and possibly cocoa butter. For milk chocolate, add milk powder and sugar. Temper the chocolate. Tempering involves heating and cooling the chocolate to stabilize it. This process ensures that the chocolate has a glossy finish and a smooth texture. It also helps prevent bloom, white streaks on the surface. 5. Molding and cooling. Mold the chocolate, or the tempered chocolate into molds to create bars or shapes. You can also add inclusions like nuts or dried fruits at this stage. Cool and set. Allow the chocolate to cool and set. This can be done at room temperature or in a cooling chamber. 6. Packaging. Wrap and label. Package the finished chocolate in attractive, food-safe packaging. Design labels that include your brand name, ingredients, and any relevant information. Quality check. Inspect each batch to ensure consistency and quality. Proper packaging also helps in maintaining the quality and freshness of the chocolate. 7. Marketing and selling. Create a brand. Develop a strong brand identity and market your chocolate through various channels, including online stores, local markets, or specialty shops. Promote. Use social media, partnerships, and promotional events to build awareness and attract customers. Starting a chocolate business can be both rewarding and challenging, but with the right approach, you can turn your passion into a thriving enterprise. Remember, every successful business begins with a solid plan and a commitment to excellence. I hope this guide has given you the insights and inspiration you need to start your own chocolate journey. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with others who might find it useful. For more tips and guides on starting and growing your business, make sure to subscribe to Prince Sam official channel. Click the bell icon to stay updated on our latest videos. Your support means a lot. Thank you for watching. I'm Prince Sam, and as always, Prince Sam Official loves you all. Keep chasing your dreams and creating sweetness in the world. See you in the next video.